excellent. Welcome to Knurling Meadows.
The rubber duck or heavy stone? The rubber duck! Let's do an experiment! See that, Charlie? The duck is filled with air, and air is much less dense than water. That's the secret that keeps it bobbing on the surface. Now, it's the heavy stone's turn! Exactly! Look, Charlie! It sank. That's because the stone is solid and its atoms are packed very tightly. This makes it much heavier than the water, so down it goes. Oliver, you're up! Toss your marshmallow into the pool!
I think it should sink because big things sink. The marshmallow is mostly just puffed up air.
Air loves to float!
Yes,
Charlie!
Air loves to float. We have 2 minutes to make something that floats. Go.
Now let's go for the experiment.
Let's start the experiment. The square pushes down, the water pushes up. As the square tilts, water flows over the top. Now, there is water pushing down on it from the top and its own weight. See, Charlie? Your ball is small and solid. It doesn't have any air trapped inside to help it float.
Floating! Totally baffled! It's the same foil!
Final round. Float or sink?
Sink! It feels heavy! Float!
It sank right to the bottom.
There's no way! You took its life jacket off!
That's exactly right. The peel has tiny pockets of air trapped inside it. Without its life jacket, the orange is too dense for the water to hold up.
So what did we learn today, science crew?
A density is the boss of sinking. Air is the king of floating.
And everything is a boat if you shape it right. Done with the experiments for today. I'm Beat. Let's play some music.
Floating, a wonderful sight. Are you ready, Knurling Meadows? Let's go! Do you know what Subhan Allah means, my friend? It's a story of floating that never will end. In Arabic it means to swim and to float, like a beautiful leaf or a sturdy blue boat. Look at the green leaf floating on the lake. It stays on the top for everyone's sake. But put a heavy stone on that tiny green leaf, it sinks to the bottom, causing it grow. The stone is like pride, it makes you go down. But Subhanallah is the highest crown. It means Allah is above with nothing on top. His glory and greatness will never ever stop. Subhanallah, Subhanallah. Like a leaf on the water, He is always above, floating in greatness, drowning in love. F is for faith, it's the light in our soul. F is for family and friends who make us whole. Beneath the earth, the deep waters stay. The land is floating like a boat in the bay. Above the world, the blue sky is spread, with clouds like pillows high over your head. Beyond the stars where the angels run, everything is below like a grain of sand. But Allah is the king of this beautiful land. F is for flowers in every bright hue. F for forest where the tall trees grew. F for fish swimming deep in the sea. F for feathers on Charlie, as light as can be. From the deep, deep sea to the highest star, Allah is the greatest, no matter how far. Oh, look! Charlie found a fruit on the ground, but Lola wanted it too and made a sad sound. But F is for fair and F for forgive. That's the best way for friends to live. Let the anger sink like a heavy stone, Oliver says, and keep faith on the throne. F for faith, Allah is great. F for forgive, it's never too late. F for family, everything connects back to the greatest one. Subhanallah. Toot.
Wanna hear a secret?
Stories grow better when you subscribe.